Hi! Welcome back to my channel, Melanie Kate, and in today's video we are going to be appliquéing and embroidering onto a t-shirt, kind of like a one line drawing, but it's a word as well, and then sewing on some appliqué. This is a t-shirt, I will show you properly in a minute, and what you need for this. You can do it by sewing machine or by hand. You need an iron, thread of any kind. Obviously I use a sewing machine, but you don't have to use a sewing machine. Like I said, you can use embroidery silks and a needle. I also used a pencil and a rubber, but it's up to you if you want to use a pencil and a rubber or just freehand it. It's really easy, anyone can do this, and it can be on any sewing machine if you want to do it on a sewing machine. And I just got this white t-shirt from ASOS in their multi-pack of t-shirts because I love doing DIYs, obviously, sharing them with you. So you can get that, or you can go and buy one anywhere you want and go through it. So the appliqué B here, I just got this off of eBay. I will try and link it down below for you if you want the same. I believe it was £1 or £2 per one. I got 5 just in case I wanted another one or it went wrong or whatever. But it's dead easy to sew on. You just iron on. You just need to make sure it's stuck properly. So that was from eBay. That's probably pretty much all your costs you need. Obviously your thread, but that would last you for a few projects at least. And so you are good to go with that. And if you want to make your own, this is going to be back to front for you, isn't it? But it says believe. Obviously the B is the BE, leave, believe. Watch this video, stay tuned, and make this t-shirt for yourself. Just done a bit of playing around of where I want it, and I want it quite up here, like to make a statement around the neck. So I've got it quite high up. That's where I'm going to have it because then I want to do the stitching around it. So you're just going to iron that in place. There.
So what is this? Just iron that.
There. Didn't come with any instructions.
Didn't have anything to peel off the back.
Pretty neat actually, just to stick that quickly.
That's it.
Just around the edges, yeah. So Mr. B is sitting there quite comfortable. It took not long at all once the iron was heated up just to iron over it, obviously. And he is all ready, stuck on and ready to go. So you could leave your t-shirt like this if you wanted, but now we're going to go on the sewing machine. I don't think that was a recording, but thanks Abs for the pencil. I just borrowed it. I rummaged through the drawers to find them. The B's stuck on, and now we're going to go round just outlining the lettering before we sew it on the sewing machine. So there's the BE, this is LIE, V, like that, and then we are going to sew that. I'm going to try and do it on sewing machine because I just think it will be easier, but it may be that hand stitch is better. like thicker, whereas I might still have the grey outline afterwards. Okay, so I've just threaded up my mum's sewing machine. It is 7025 Genome if anyone wants this one. It doesn't really matter what sewing machine you do it on, you can do it on anyone. It's just the same as doing like a one line. You just want a straight stitch sewing machine basically, and you just need to take it carefully as you go around stitching the words. You don't want it to go through both layers obviously, so just make sure it's clear. So both sides, yeah. Can you read that? Believe. I was going to carry on going up and up and up, but I thought no, I have missed a bit, like I've gone over the lines a bit wrong, so I need to rub that out or wash it or somehow. But you can clearly say that's believe. So I really like that. I'll try it on and show you it. I need to rub out the pencil first. So here we are. I am in the finished t-shirt. I'm trying to put it up here, maybe you'll be able to see. So I've just got this, obviously my ASOS t-shirt's a little bit oversized, but that's how I like to wear it. And round the neck, just move my hair out of the way, it says B-E-B, believe. And then up here, obviously you can use any words you want, but that's it. And if you like this t-shirt, give it a big thumbs up. It is dead easy to do, so feel free to try this out hand stitch or on a sewing machine. And I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below one word you would do on your t-shirt with the beginning or end or something in it being B, B-E or B-E-E, whatever you want. You just need the B in it, obviously for this one, but you could use anything else you wanted. You could applique, whatever, but I wanted to do this. And thanks for watching. Bye.